Good evening everyone, I am Sandeep Kaur. So today we are starting second practice sheet of reading comprehension. The other day we did first and I gave you some instructions before attempting your first question of board paper, that is reading comprehension. So as I told you in the previous video also that this question, it will have 12 questions and out of these 12 questions you will have to do any 10. Clear? Better if you do all the 12 questions, right, and do those first or attempt to write on your sheet those questions first about which you are pretty sure. Clear? So again same procedure will follow. I'll give you some time to solve this sheet or to solve this reading comprehension, and after that we will discuss. Please keep in mind, always read the questions first. It will save your time. Right? So, read the questions first. Questions will provide you a kind of summary of the and note one thing everyone, whenever you will write your answers on your sheet, you will have to write, for example, this is question 1, reading comprehension, it will be of, first write section, like section A, question 1, always draw a margin on both the sides. Right? Question 1. First question A. Then you will write your option, whatever is the option. What happens? Why I am telling this? Why I am stressing upon this point? To write the option also. Because sometimes, for example, in grammar now the preposition is not in syllabus. Otherwise, for example, I am giving an example. There are 4 options: on, and, in, and. A, B, C, and D. Right? What you are doing? You are not writing the option, you are writing first answer on. But students, they write in running hand, and for example, the answer is on and they write. Yes, so we are going to discuss the solutions or answers of all the questions of reading comprehension second practice. Clear? First is, why do the researchers use a sniffer dog? C. Okay, how many of you are saying C? Raise your hand. Okay. How many of you are saying B? Why B, Ankit? Why B? See, it is written in the first line itself. Sniffer dog Tucker uses his nose to help researchers find out why a killer whale population of the northwest coast of the United States is on decline. Is on decline means why it is decreasing, downfall, right? So that is why the option will be C. In B, they are written just to count the whale population. Sniffer dog, they don't count it, or even they cannot count dogs, right? So they can suspect or they can detect the reason why it is declining, right? Okay. Second, according to the text, there are a few dashed like Tucker.
Sniffer dog.
B. Elite team of detective dogs. Why team? Because it is the collective noun here, team of dogs. Right? A few elite team of detective dogs. Elite means very, having good reputation.
And second question from which line?
Second question is first paragraph, third line. He is one of the elite team of detection dogs. Third, Tucker sniffs for C. Okay. How many of you are saying it's C? Why C? Can you explain, Yashita? Wait, one by one.
In the fourth line it is written.
In the fourth line of which paragraph?
First paragraph.
First para, fourth line. It is written that he is one of the elite team of detection dogs used by scientists studying a number of species, including right whales and killer whales. So you have seen the word right whale and killer whales. But see, what do they sniff? Second line, sniff means, see what a Tucker dog does. Okay, he sniffs and checks the things. These are the dogs which police keeps with them.
Which option?
It is D option, D for dog. Whale feces floating on the surface of water. See, first paragraph, second line, he searches for whale feces floating on the surface of water. Sniff means he smells. And how he searches? By smelling only. Clear or not clear now? Right? Okay. Then the dogs are special because they assist in research without
Investigation.
Okay. Raise your hand.
A option.
Okay. A option. Why A? Ankit?
Ma'am, in second paragraph,
Second paragraph,
fourth line on.
fourth line. These dogs have enabled them to non-invasively access vast amount of genetic and psychological information. Okay, means they are able to access this information without invasion. Invasion means without attacking. They don't attack the scientists or the researchers, rather they help them, support them in accessing the information. Clear, Neil, now? Which option did you take? D? Why? नहीं, गलती से नहीं लगाना है. We have to read it thoroughly first. The ideal detection dog. C. It is very easy. Third paragraph, first line. Okay. Let me write all the answers over here. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
First was C. You will write the full statement over here. I am writing just option only because we have less time now. But in exam you will have to plan everything. Clear?
Okay.
B. Third is D.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth
A.
Fifth C. Fifth C we have discussed. Okay. Six.
C.
The dog expects. Very easy.
C.
Okay. Where it is given? Para 3. Second line. These dogs will happily work for all day long motivated by the expectation of a ball game as a reward. Right? C. Then we have 7. Dash of these dogs are not easy to keep at home.
D.
D. Where is the answer?
Third
Maybe
Third paragraph, second line.
And third line.
Second last.
Third line.
Seventh we are saying it starts from second line only.
Yes, ma'am.
The obsessive, high energy personalities of detection dog also make them difficult to maintain as pet. To maintain something as pet or someone as pet means to keep them at home. Right? These dogs find career in
C.
Conservation.
C. How many of you have written D? D किसने लिख दिया है? C? Okay, very good. Nice. The word euthanasia means how many of you have written C? Raise your hand. How many of you have written D? How many of you have written B? Very good. It is B. Painless killing. Find out the synonym of
Nine. Please explain.
which one? Or it is a meaning only. Or you see, it should match over there. See. Third para, third line. As a result, they frequently find themselves abandoned to animal shelters. Clear? Facing euthanasia, painless killing.
Ma'am, where it is, there is the para.
Where it is there in the para?
Ma'am, this meaning.
Arey meaning to you will have to assume na. See, sometimes meaning is given in the question and you will have to find the word. Sometimes word from the extract is given in the question and you have to find the meaning. Clear? So both the cases can be there. Here they are saying animals they are left means they cannot keep them at home. So that's why they leave them where? In animal shelters. Okay, where they cannot live properly. Means they die painlessly. Right? Anji, yes, Yadav asked what is.
It's also danger.
It is also.
Danger that he can kill him. But they
See, is it? See, can you this facing danger only? How do they are so very strong already?
Why painless killing?
Painless killing because they don't give them pain, but they die automatically when they are kept in animal shelters. Clear? Yes. You are saying, ma'am, danger. These dogs, so in the whole paragraph, they are shown that they are very, what do you call it? They themselves are very dangerous. So how do they face danger? They themselves are very strong. Okay, this breed is very strong, right? So where we were, 9B done. Yes. Next is synonym of extremely necessary.
C.
Indispensable, or it is also called inseparable. See, when we are doing these things now, keep the vocab in mind. Very necessary, like you will write articles, you will write your letters, letter to editor and everything. So there you can write that this is an inseparable, indispensable part of our life. Very necessary, very important. Clear? So I have given you two words today, indispensable and clear. So next is 11, claim. B. Why reward? To claim a reward. That is why it is reward. I have asked you antonym here.
Yes, ma'am.
Haan, opposite. Claim is what? Claim is what?
To have a.
To show your possession on something, that you want that particular thing. Clear? Its opposite is abandoned. And I explained, see Ankit, listen. I explained abandoned when I was explaining painless killing. That they are left. Claim means to have something. Abandon means to leave something. Right? Okay. So 11th is A. Please don't get confused in and antonyms. Okay, the paper setter, he or she will try to confuse you like this. Like for two words I have asked synonym, next word I'll ask antonym. So please keep a keen eye on that. Sometimes it is asked which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? 3 questions are like this, and next question is which of the following is incorrect. So don't get confused over there. Please read the instructions carefully. And always write your question number, option and the statement or the answer, whatever it is. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is all about reading comprehension 2. Last one is left. First we did the easiest one. This is the moderate, and one sample of this we will do the difficult one. Thereafter similarly 3 worksheets of grammar will be given. Right? Okay. Till now we have done 7. See, you have attempted 7 tests, 7 short tests of 30 marks. Right? So 7 worksheets of grammar so you have already done, plus what we do here, informal grammar and all. Right? So be ready for the difficult one of reading comprehension, difficult sample of reading comprehension, as well as your 3 worksheets of grammar. That will also be in the same format, easy, moderate and difficult. Right? Thank you all.